brother.
Oh, he's going there.
My brother's friend was. The friend video is always my friend. But today it is and a very aggressive unboxing. By the way, I was going to unbox this ball cube. First, I will not going to throw this. Yeah, but don't scramble it.
What? I won't.
Okay, so this is a rainbow cube, which is pretty easy. Not harder than a normal cube I dream. This. Oh wait a minute. This.
Bye bye.
Stop throwing things. So I think we can time ourselves. I'm not very good at it. Even if this is pretty easy. So okay. And stop throwing things.
Okay. What? Why is this in here?
I don't know. Better put it back.
Oh.
Stop throwing things. Okay, so now I am struggling. Oh, maybe this two pieces need to swap.
Can I do that?
You have the same too.
Oh, what is this thing?
This time play one. Okay, I'm just going to do it again because I totally scrambled it again. Okay, I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, this is the same. Just the colors. This is most much more experiment.
This is scrambled.
And a little bit hard
This is
to
scrambled.
turn.
I was scrambling it for you. I was scrambling it for you. You're so good.
Yeah, my hands is pretty tired.
Whoa.
Ow!
Don't say wow too much. So, you solve it.
This, my hands. This took a lot of force to
Don't speak
turn
Korean.
this.
Okay?
Ah!
Don't speak Korean, okay?
Oh.
I said don't speak Korean.
But it's not. A lot of
This
higher
in here.
Aha.
thing is, yeah, this is
Like this. How is it?
terrible video. Oh. Okay, so you're so light percentage. What?
Fast.
What?
I'm not fast.
Oh. We probably have. What is this white piece?
What? What?
What?
What?
What?
You have to go here.
What's happening?
What is happening?
What?
What?
Oh, we have to cycle this.
What?
Like,
What?
What?
What the?
Oh.
I think we can cycle this and solve this. Okay, I think.
Yeah.
What? I solved it? Yes.
Okay. The 2 minutes. What? Okay. So.
Now you
So today, let's go into our topic. So when I'm in the fastest, that doesn't mean when I solve this, it makes a good time.
Oh.
Yeah, that is pretty hard. But actually, it is when I flip this one time, it turns as far as I can. So like we can do like a U7. I'll be really happy. So I made this. So I have made a video of like a short of turning this like 15 times,
this thing.
and it is the same concept. And I said I would make a video of how to make this, and we just right now. But this is actually the same cube, and I will show you the reasons why. First, I have to get the driver.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no. I brought my driver here. So the reason is because I heard them I will take out the springs here, and I have heard that when we fit out the springs and the mixture and geometry, it spins really, really fast. And I have also heard that this cube magnet is really fast. So if that's not so we can always get back unreadable. Oh, this makes my head.
Holy shit!
What? So the unreadable
Yeah, I fixed it.
thingies, the instruction. I'll just put it down here, let's throw it. And here's the cube wrapped in plastic. Here's also a plastic. I'll put that here. What is this? Oh well. Put this here, and here's the paper wrap. Ah.
Oh, the geometry?
Yes. Oh, something's on this.
It is not turning still.
Okay, so we can put this.
Yeah!
What? You didn't solve it. Look, this.
Okay, so this is
Ah.
I will do that.
and I think this is quite strong magnet here. I don't want to twist off with this. This magnet is really strong. Box. Also concentrate on really strong magnet here. Yeah, this makes a finger work, but I would not want to twist off with this. But first, let's. Something is tight here. Loose some. I'm gonna put down some springs here. I'm going to do it.
Can I solve
Softly.
that, please?
Wait a minute. Oh, this didn't not. Wait, what? Anyway, I'm sure. Oh, we didn't. No, I'm sure we did. Where is the two springs? Oh, here it is. Okay, so now we can pull out the springs inside the fusion chatterbox where the other unlucky things were trapped here for eternity. But now this is chosen to be unlucky things. Oh, put that in the fusion chatterbox. Oh no.
What? Ow!
Where? Oh. So this is the trap forever. Okay, so let's try this cube out. Oh, there's a very small U4. Oh no. There's almost a U5. I'm really impressed. How are the yellow feather? What? What was that? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's a U7. Wow, how yellow? How about what side? Oh.
What? This is a bad thing.
Wait.
What? This is a bad thing.
How about we click it?
What?
Click it?
What the?
U4?
What?
Also
What
U4.
the?
U6? More than U6? You
What
definitely
the?
U6?
What?
47.
What?
48.
What the?
And definitely what?
121.
Ah!
What
U6?
do you think? Why are you saying?
Almost U6.5. Oh, I think so. I think this side is actually much faster than the other.
Oh, this is not turning. It
Yeah.
will be slow again.
So now what I will do is kind of cheat and put on all
This
of the
is not
magnets on
turning
this
like
four magnets. We'll put all of these magnets back. So all of these keep nice and square, but only of these actually not hold together. So this all keeps nice and square, but there's less friction on this of like so. Wee, like that. So we're going to put all of the magnets. And by the way, that is step 2. And then only one step. I think we're really good at making this fast. So let's just start doing it. What? Oh, the magnet has just flown away. Oh, you can turn it off. Come back here. Okay, we have to put all of the magnets here too. Oh, good though. The magnet is not full. That is really good. I mean, oh, maybe I'll try how strong is this magnet. That'll be really fun. But the different things are going to put right here so we don't close it.
Whoa.
Okay, so.
What?
Yes.
We've done this.
Yeah.
And then, oh no, we have to put one piece back, one piece back. Because we
Okay, I will do it.
Ah.
pry open. And there, and the backwards back. The back piece.
Whoa.
Oh, going. Stick it. Don't stick it. This is easy. But I hope this is for kids. Where? There. Okay, this piece is done. Now, oh. Well, this is really hard to crack open. But I don't think we should crack open this. And
One.
at the very moment, the magnet says, one magnet is put away, the other magnet is behind this one. I'm going to find it. Please. difficulty of making the fastest cube. I hope this video isn't boring for you guys, because it is for me. It is amazing that the magnet is not trying to. Well, this is very strong magnet. Yeah. So the magnet is in the treasure box. let's turn this. Oh. Oh, there was a use more than U6. Oh, maybe we can do it backward again. Wait, there was a U4. I think that was like U7.
What?
Wow. I'm expected to.
What?
I know what U7 and it is already U7 and it is only 2 steps. Okay, so
Where's my phone?
okay, I think we're doing this. You know, like it's here and click it. Click it. Oh, that was U7.
Whoa.
U2. Pretty terrible. Wait a minute. Okay, so I was looking at these numbers. I think we should tighten it more. And close the door.
Okay.
I think we should tighten it more. Why did you do
Mine.
Hey, you made the setting awkward.
Sorry.
Stop it.
Okay.
Put this back.
Okay.
Why did you even bring my phone? Okay, so we are going to tighten. We're tightening this right now. Hey, this is taking a long time. And close the door.
What?
Oh.
Oh, this is a very lucky day.
This isn't the lucky day. This isn't the lucky day.
I could have said this was a lucky day.
Don't scare us.
Well, I can't solve this again.
Don't scramble this.
I don't think I'm going to be able to solve that again.
Oh.
There was a disaster when
Don't
we
scramble
there was a
this.
disaster before making
Oh
this
my
video.
god.
What?
My brother has scrambled the cube and I have to solve it for him. Okay, so
What
let's
is
try again.
doing?
Oh, what? Whoa. Wait a minute. What was that?
What?
You didn't scramble
Wait a minute. What?
too much.
Wait, what was
Why
the
did
one you
you-
ate?
Scramble this. Don't.
Wow, there was a
Why did you scramble this?
more than you.
What's this?
I think first there was a U8.
What is
Okay,
this?
so
What's this?
there was a
No.
almost
Don't do
U8.
that.
I mean U. Oh, there was a
Don't
almost a
do
U7. I mean, oh, this was a U6 by the way. I mean U5 by the way, not U7.
that. I said don't do that.
They. Oh, okay. I think there was a U2. I'm going to do it in slow motion. When the video almost when we did all of the steps, and now it is time for the last step, which is. Oh, did I say there were 4 steps? Actually, there's 3 steps. Loving.
Look at this.
Almost the
96 hours. 25 minutes.
okay. So first, Diana 37 on the pieces.
10 seconds.
Oh.
1, 2.
What is
No,
that?
it's changed.
What's that?
When I
What?
put
11%. What? Oh, I actually used it.
well, this one yellow side is really
And don't scramble that again.
yeah. I mean, this is the smallest bottle of the Diana 37. It stained a little bit by throwing it accidentally. This cube feels really kind of
Look at
like
this.
good. Yeah, because
And this.
one side is really finicky,
And this.
while the other are also finicky, but one side is really fast. Oh, I said the pieces are messed over, so yeah. By the way, the
Okay.
it is kind of this is a first step kind of what ice cream kind of. I'm not sure what to say.
Why do you scramble that? Why?
Oh, look at this! Look at this! Now, all of the yellow side is in. Now we got the wiper. Yippee! 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 And then, okay, we finished. Okay, so there was a U5, U4, U4, U3, almost U4, very solid U4. Okay, so how about wait, it doesn't seem like going as fast. Yeah, this is actually slower than what I expected. Maybe we can put. Maybe I have made it too tight, kind of. Yeah, this cube feels actually I have to feel kind of flaky. Yeah, so I think I have to loosen. I have to. Yeah, this we have to just loosen it a little bit. Only on this side. Oh, and that fixed it. Wow, that was a U8. What? Wait a minute, that was a U7. I mean, yeah. What? That was really huge improvement. Yeah, what? That was definitely not what I was expecting. Part A, drop 1, 2 drop. Scramble it. Oh no, this is really, yeah, wow. Now it is, now I can see what this becomes definitely fast. Yeah, look at this, what? Yeah, that is really huge improvement, only loosening on a yellow side, what? Okay. There we go. So I think that is broken in. And drop part 2. I mean part B. 1, 2. And then break it in really quickly. Some of it. Oh no, the yellow stuff is staining. Okay. Yeah, I think now we can solve this and then it will be all broken in. And all of the rattling noise is actually the edge piece. I checked it and the corner piece was glued in. So the rattling noise will be the edge magnet. I mean, at least it might be a magnet. Oh, wait a minute. I feel only one. When I solve the yellow side, I should turn pretty carefully because this just only smoke first and it just goes out nowhere. And what is it in this? Oh, this is so hard to turn. Okay, so now I'm going to put a slow motion. I'm going to put it right here. So that's why I have to stop the video and do it again. I mean, not do it again. I'll put the slow motion here. Okay, there was a very solid U6. My brother and my friend said he wouldn't also do it after. Yeah, actually that is on this cube. This is really finicky, but so this cube is a U15. Okay, I can't get it really now. Oh, yeah, because I only loosen it. So this is actually more better tutorial on making the fastest. Next, this cube actually kind of broke the record. I mean, this probably isn't a record. I know somebody has did 54 turns. That's pretty epic. But I don't think I will be getting better than U6. Michael was U7, but unfortunately, I got a U7 like a couple of times, but not when I have felt like with slow motions. But so we've got also U8, but that wasn't in a slow motion. So I think we have definitely did it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I will not come, they say. So I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.